Now, let's learn how to measure the width of attached gingiva. First, measure the sulcus depth and denote it as A. Next, measure the total width of keratinized gingiva from gingival margin to the mucogingival junction and denote it as B. The width of attached gingiva is then calculated as B minus A. Next is Schiller's potassium iodide test, a histochemical method used to demarcate alveolar mucosa from keratinized gingiva, especially when the mucogingival junction is not clearly visible. It is based on the principle that glycogen-rich alveolar mucosa takes up the iodide stain, whereas the keratinized gingiva remains unstained. The width of attached gingiva is calculated as the unstained gingiva minus the sulcus depth. The tension test, on the other hand, does not measure the width, but help assess whether the attached gingiva is adequate. The lips are stretched outward upward for maxilla and outward downward for mandible. Movement of marginal gingiva indicates inadequate attached gingiva. Another method to identify the mucogingival junction is the roll test. A blunt instrument is used to roll the alveolar mucosa towards the gingiva. The loose alveolar mucosa moves while the attached gingiva remains firm. The point where movement stops marks the mucogingival junction.